lesson we're going to learn construcciones de opinión con complemento indirecto. Expressing opinion constructions with indirect objects. In Spanish, there are verbs expressing opinion or taste like odiar or preferir that are conjugated in a normal or regular way. Yo odio a Juan. I hate Juan. ¿Tú prefieres café? You prefer coffee. But there are some verbs expressing opinion or taste as well that need an indirect object pronoun in order to conjugate them. Verbs like gustar, encantar, molestar, preocupar. In this type of constructions, there is an element, the subject, that produces an emotion, feeling, reaction expressed by the verb into someone, the indirect object. Me gusta el pan. I like bread. In this case, el pan subject produces an emotion or feeling, gustar, verb, into someone, indirect object, in this case, me. In order to conjugate those verbs, we always need the indirect object pronoun me, te, le, nos, os, les, plus the verb conjugated in third person, singular or plural. When it's followed by a noun in singular or a verb in infinitive, is singular, and when the noun is plural, then it goes in plural. Me gusta el chocolate. I like chocolate. Me gustan los tomates. I like tomatoes. ¿Te gusta bailar? You like dancing. Nos gusta cantar. We like singing. These constructions also can be introduced by a preposition. In this case, we can say a mí me gusta, a ti te gusta, a él, ella le gusta, a nosotros, nosotras nos gusta, a vosotros, vosotras os gusta, a ellos, ellas les gusta. A él le gusta el fútbol. He likes football. A vosotros os gusta el tenis. You like tennis. A él le gusta leer. He likes reading. A ella le gustan los perros. She likes dogs. A nosotras nos gustan los coches. We like cars. We can make them negative as well. A mí no me gusta el fútbol. I don't like football. A él no le gusta el tenis. He doesn't like tennis.